All right, to that breaking story on Good Evening India, the Cabinet is to take up the proposal to alter procedures for the appointment of judges. The Cabinet proposal says that judges cannot be their own appointees.
That is apparently the way it's done right now. The new proposal wants to change the collegium system we have to appoint other judges. In the collegium system, the Chief Justice and 5 judges appoint other judges. The new proposal would look at a 6-member panel headed by the Chief Justice to appoint those judges. So the Chief Justice is still in charge. The new appointment panel would have the Law Minister, the Justice Secretary and eminent jurists on it. And that proposal would also consider whether the opposition leader should be part of the panel. Now, there are several concerns about this. This proposed bill is strongly worded, pushing for greater transparency and greater accountability. Will judges be interested in going forward with this? There also another bill, a similar bill is in cold storage at the moment. So a question on whether it will even clear Parliament in the first place.
That's right. And these are the details that we have exclusively learnt ahead of which is likely to be taken up by the Cabinet. Let's just try and explain that for you once again and to break it down for you. The Cabinet is likely to take up the proposal to alter procedures for appointment of judges. The Cabinet proposal says that judges cannot be their own appointees, and there will be a new proposal to change the collegium system to appoint their judges.
All right, Meetu Jain is bringing us this news. She joins us live this evening. Very quickly, Meetu, then this proposed bill strongly worded for greater transparencies. How will judges view it? Does it have any likelihood of passing Parliament?
Well, that's really the big question. In fact, the UPA proposes and the opposition is the one that disposes. Remember, there is a lot of opposition to this bill already, and the question is, will the opposition let it go through? Which is why there is a provision. There is, in fact, a vaguely worded proposal in the note which says that perhaps the leader of the opposition too can be consulted for this. Now, this provision has been put there, and if the Cabinet okays it, then it could be a part of the bill. This has been put there to mollify the opposition, and from what we understand, the opposition, the stand that especially the BJP is taking is that we are in favor of the judiciary. We want a stronger judiciary. We don't want any meddling from the executive, and of course there should be a lot more perks and safeguards where the judiciary is concerned, especially say when they retire. There should be say more post-retirement benefits and jobs should be available for them. So in other words, the opposition led by the BJP would like to take the stand that they are in favor of the judiciary, and the government is the one that is taking on the judiciary. That is the stand that they would like to put forward. And this has to be, of course, seen in conjunction with the Judicial Accountability Bill that is already in cold storage. It has gone to the Standing Committee. That is the bill that looks at greater accountability in the functioning of the judiciary and in the conduct of the judges. And there is every possibility that this bill too could go the Judicial Accountability Bill way.
All right, Meetu Jain bringing us that big breaking story this evening on Good Evening India. Thanks very much for getting us that ahead of that proposal going ahead.